Okay, in the F. Now we are going to solve the question number F, and what we have in the F, we have fill in the blanks with words from the box. Okay, in this we have fill in the blanks, fill in the blanks with words from the box. Okay, fill in the blanks with words from the box. Now, so here we have our first sentence or first question. Okay, let me write the options too. First we have mouse, then we have sheep, lamb, sheep, lamb, birds. Okay, here we have total 4 words which has given in our book. Now number 1, Mary had a little. This is our first question. Number 2, hickory dickory dock. Hickory dickory dock, the dash ran up the clock, ran up the clock. Here we have our second number. Number 3, Little Bo Peep has lost her. Little Bo Peep. Little Bo Peep has lost her. Dash. Number 4, Two Little Dicky. Two Little Dicky dash sat on the ball. Okay, now we can notice that here we have the all sentence, but they all are related to a poem of nurseries. Okay, as you can notice from this lines that Mary had a little lamb, it is also a poem from a nursery section. Hickory dickory dock, the mouse ran up the clock, it is also from from the junior section. So they all are the picked up lines from poems. Now what we have to do, we have to complete this fill in the blanks. Mary had a little lamb. इतना तो हम लोग को याद ही कि कुछ कुछ पोएम हमें हमेशा याद रहते हैं, तो मैरी हैड अ लिटिल लैम्ब उन्हीं में से एक थी. मैरी हैड अ लिटिल लैम्ब. सो व्हाट वी हैव टू राइट हियर, लैम्ब. हिकरी डिकरी डॉग, द माउस रैन अप द क्लॉक. मुझे भी पोएम्स याद है, जो इंटरेस्टिंग थे वो याद है, बाकी इन दो पोएम को मैं उतना अच्छे से नहीं जानती ना मुझे याद है. ओके, सो नाउ वी हैव Little Bo Peep has lost her sheep. And I think ये पढ़ा हुआ है, बट मुझे एग्जैक्ट पोएम नेम याद नहीं है. Little Bo Peep has lost her sheep. Then the two little dicky birds sat on the ball. Okay, यहाँ पे birds होगा. So we have completed our question number F. But I hope I have to explain them what are they saying here. Okay, so Mary had a little lamb. It means Mary के पास एक छोटी भेड़ थी. Had है तो means थी, ना कि है. Mary had a little lamb मतलब मैरी के पास एक छोटी भेड़ थी. Then we have hickory dickory dock, the mouse ran up the clock. So hickory dickory dock is a rhyming word here. ओके, आई डोंट नो द मीनिंग ऑफ हिकरी डिकरी डॉग. हाँ, बट यहाँ से मैं समझ द माउस रैन अप द क्लॉक. जैसे ही ये आवाज हुई उसके बाद चूहा दौड़ते हुए घड़ी में घुस गया. Now we have Little Bo Peep. This is also a character name from the poem. Has lost her seat. Little Bo Peep जो है उसकी एक भेड़ खो गई. यहाँ पे ये है इसका मतलब. Two little dicky birds sat on the wall. दो छोटे छोटे पक्षी दीवार पर बैठे हैं. जो डिकी वर्ड है कभी कभी हम इन्हें छोटी चीजों के लिए भी यूज करते हैं. ओके, so this is the F we have solved. Let's move on to the next exercise. Number G. So what we have in our G section? What are these ants doing? Label the picture with words from the box. So we have to focus on this particular drawing. And as you can see, it is the scene from ant colony. ये कहाँ का scene है? Ant colony के अंदर का scene है. Okay. And we have to notice what are these ants doing? ये चींटियाँ क्या कर रही हैं? Okay. So label the picture with words. हमारे पास यहाँ पे कुछ ऑप्शंस हैं जो कि यहाँ पे जो दिए गए उन्हें फिल करना है. ओके, तो आई हैव ऑलरेडी फिल्ड दैट फॉर यू. नाउ वी हैव टू नोटिस दैट व्हाट आर दिस एंड्स डूइंग. So we can notice that the first one word is talking. Okay, the first one is talking. यहाँ पे जो एक चींटी है वो छोटे छोटे चींटियों को आई थिंक देयर इज अ बर्थडे पार्टी एंड ये जो है कि इन्हीं का बर्थडे है और इन्होंने सबको काट के दिया है और यहाँ पे लोग अब बात खाते वक्त बात कर रहे हैं. तो here is the one is talking to other ants. Now we can notice that the second one is standing. Okay, if you have remembered the soldier ant, okay, or yes, in the last we have a Toot or Pete who was a soldier ant. So we can notice that here we also have a soldier ant who is standing here. So we will write standing. Okay, हमें यहाँ पे नाम नहीं लिखना है, यहाँ पे लिखना है क्या कर रहा है. तो first one was talking, second one is standing. Now look at the third one. As you can notice that the third one is eating an apple here. That's why we have to write here eating. Now 4. So as you can notice the chef cap or chef cap, and he is cooking something. So we have to write here cooking. So this is the question number G. We have to complete this in your book. Now let's move on to the question number. ये भी G से ही है बट ये G से रिलेटेड है. Add write something करके. There is no question number like this. Okay. So this is A section from the G. Okay, ये G का भी A section है. What we have to do in this? Add ing to these words and write the new words on the blanks. So what we have to do? Look. First word is sing. Look carefully on the word sing. To jump. Number 3, pull, dream. Pull, dream. Number 5, go. Number 6, climb. Sleep. 8, crawl. So we have total 8 words from this A section. Now what we have to do with these words? We have to add ing to the last of these words. Look how. SING. We already have this word. Now what we have to do? We have to add ing also. Okay, to get or to complete this exercise. Like this, we have to add ing to all the words which has given here. Sing, singing, jump, jumping, pull, pulling, dream. Dreaming, go, going, climb, climbing, sleeping. crawling. So this is the A we have from G section. And what is the meaning? अगर sing means क्या होता है गाना, लेकिन अगर singing हो गया ing जैसे ही ऐड हो जाता है तो वो जो वर्ड होता है वो पार्टिकुलर वर्ड प्रेजेंट फॉर्म में हो, प्रेजेंट कंटिन्यूअस में हो जाता है. मतलब सिंग गाना, सिंगिंग गा रही है, गाना तो था ही, अब गा रही. अब जो भी आईएनजी लगने से ये होता है कि सारे वर्ड क्या हो गया प्रेजेंट कंटिन्यूअस में चलने लगे, कि मतलब ये काम अभी भी हो रहा है, ये ना खत्म हुआ है और शुरू कब हुआ तो नहीं पता, पर ये काम अभी भी चल रहा है. प्रेजेंट कंटिन्यूअस को शो करता है आईएनजी. ओके. जंपिंग कूद रहा है, फूलिंग खींच रहा है, ड्रीमिंग सपने देख रहा है, ये नहीं कि वो देख के बैठ चुका है, वो सपने अभी भी देख रहा है. आईएनजी इस बात को शो करता है किसी भी सेंटेंस में. गोइंग जा रहा है, क्लाइंबिंग चढ़ रहा है, स्लीपिंग सो रहा है, क्रॉलिंग रेंग रहा है. Okay, so these are the meaning of these words. Okay, I have tell you the difference between the normal words and the ing words, and I hope you have understood the concept of adding ing to the words. And that is enough for today's video. Till then, take care and be safe at home. Thank you. Have a nice day.